Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and we're back with another vehicle walk-around tour. Today we're going to be highlighting the 2024 Mercedes-Benz C-Class C300 4MATIC. This vehicle is for sale if you're interested. In today's video we're going to just kind of highlight some of the interior and exterior features, just kind of a nice quick overview. If you're interested in learning more, of course, we'd love to chat with you, ask any questions you may have, even set up a test drive if you're interested. Of course, you can reach us at feldmanimports.com. So once again, this is the 2024 C300. We've got a white exterior, got blind spot assist, a nice beige interior with some nice black accents you'll see, as well as some accent trim I'll show you here in just a sec. So we do have the heated memory seats here on our driver and passenger side. We've got our Burmester sound system, speaker package, nice kind of chrome accents as well. We've got our driver's seat with lumbar support. And quick peek up at our sunroof. We've got our steering wheel here, and you can kind of see that wood grain accent trim behind it there. Let's go ahead and hop inside. All right. So mileage currently at 655. Here's one more look at our Mercedes-Benz steering wheel. And we do have a push-button ignition. Okay, so here we've got our touchscreen display. Currently showing radio, backup camera. It's a full touchscreen, so of course, you can flip through using the touchscreen itself, just like so. I've got some different seat settings and also ambient light settings. All kinds of different brightness, different effects, colors. You've got the multicolor options. You've also got monochromatic options. So it's a little bright in here today, kind of a little tricky to see, but there we go. You can kind of see as I'm switching through some of the different colors here. So anywho, we also have our climate menu here. You've got your dynamic select switch here, which will switch between the different performance modes, which affects how the vehicle performs for you out there on the road. Of course, you can set the individual setting to be however you want it to be, so it'll automatically choose that for you. We've got parking assistance. We'd love to show you how that works in person. Can't really do that here on our turntable, but works great in our parking lot. Love to show you that. We've got our vehicle settings here. We've got a fingerprint sensor for Mercedes Me. I don't have that set up currently because the vehicle is for sale, but definitely an option for you there. So we've got our touchscreen. You've also got an option to control it here on your steering wheel. You got this little touchpad right here, so you can select and then push down to actually select. You got your home and back buttons. And you also got Bluetooth and phone capabilities here, as well as your volume controls. Over here on this other side, I've got a very similar set. You've got your cruise control options down here on the bottom, and then this up here actually controls your driver interface, so that's all fully customizable as well. Perfect. We also have our Mercedes-Benz shifter here. So the way that works, you just flip up for reverse, which then activates your backup camera. And if you go down, that'll be drive, and then push in for park. Okay, go ahead and turn that off. Up above, we do have our sunroof controls. So yeah, you just actually go forward to close the sunshade or close the sunroof, and then backwards. You can see now it's starting to open up the sunroof there. So go ahead and close that again. A little too chilly in Minnesota here today for a sunroof being open, but that is how that one works. I'll go ahead and hop out. I'll show you the rear seats here next. So, got plenty of room back here for your passengers, or if you got any items you need to store quickly. I'll do one more quick peek back up front. The Nothing really sharp with the accent wood grain trim you can see up front there, as well as the beige seats. Try that again. Sunroof. And let's go around to the back. So coming around the rear of the vehicle, we have our badging, C300, Mercedes-Benz, and 4MATIC. We've got a power opening and closing trunk. So lots of storage space back here. But then you also have some buttons here. You can easily flip down those rear seats in case you need a little extra storage. And then push button to close. So once again, that's just a brief overview of the 2024 Mercedes-Benz C-Class C300 4MATIC. This vehicle comes in a white exterior with a beige interior. And if you're interested in learning more, if you have any questions or even want to set up a test drive, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.